Hello and welcome to Kingdom Specialist Cars. We present for sale this beautiful Mercedes-Benz R107 series 500 SL with just 59,000 miles from new. Registered in May 1981, the car is supplied with a full history file, comprehensive history file in fact, with 29 MOT certificates, plus the service booklet, owner's pack, etc. Very pretty car, finished in Thistle Green metallic with the contrasting mushroom upholstery. It's also supplied with its hardtop finished in dark metallic green. Now the condition of the car is really superb. A particular note is the soft top, which looks new, I have to say. The plexiglass rear windows, totally unmarked, unscratched. As is the rest of the car. Now the interior, as I say, is finished in the mushroom cream upholstery. Originally from the factory it was supplied with the cloth check upholstery, but one of the previous owners has upgraded to leather and it has been trimmed extremely nicely. Very nice finish. I would say as good as the original. That applies to the rear seats as well. Now with Zebrano wood trim, have the usual features of a 107. And as I say, just 59,000 miles from new, as you can see. Superb example, this one. If you'd like more details or to arrange a viewing, do please call. The number's on our website, www.kingdomspecialistcars.com, or do drop me an email, info@kingdomspecialistcars.com. Thank you for watching.